change the cabin filter on the 2007 Rabbit. I already took it out, so this is just gonna pop out. Oh, forget the plastic nuts. Those. Use this one, and we want to slide this right there. We go. There's that filter. Let's see who makes this. VWAG, VWAG. What is this? Made in DE? Can't read it. But anyway. There's a new one. Which is much lighter, so this one's heavier. So I will pop that in. Let's see. Let's see if I can get this clips to line up. That's the fun part. Come on. Oh, they actually go right through. There we go. Let's get them lined up here. And there you go. Okay, this is a really awkward position to be in. And I think that did it. Maybe not. Goes in back. Nope, it's not. Let's see. That goes inside. was all the way. So filter, you gotta make sure it's all the way inside in order for this to completely close. Now it is. I need to force it. And that is my cabin filter. Let's see, instructions actually tell you where it is, so that's good. Barely see it, but that's what it is. So that's how you install your cabin filter on the 2007 Rabbit. If I can just get this in there, it would be nice. Such a pain in the room behind here. Oh. Let's see. I think if anything, this is the hardest piece. So you gotta line these things up. Okay, there we go. And they never line up. It doesn't line up. So in order to make it line up with the screws, you gotta bring it in here. Oh, that's already missing something. A clip or a screw there. So let's try this again. Come on, get in there. Okay, one down. There we go. One's right there. Got it. There we go. Let's go see that. Let me loosen that a little bit. Let us all get it right. Come on, get it right. That's all the way. And that's all the way. Okay. And that is your cabin filter for a 2007 Rabbit.